So one more MVC project and how we are going to link from MVC to API we will see now. So now I'll go to Visual Studio, mention without code. I'll go to File, New, Project. ASP.NET 4 Web App Model View Controller. Click on Next. So patient management web app. So what is the path we have created? Inside our documents, we first check. Here we have created. So this solution also will create here. Click Next. 6 only will take. 8 also we can take, but as of now, as per the requirement, I'm going to take 6. Click on Create. So this is our MVC project. Here we'll be having controllers, models, all those things. So let me create a model. This model, I'm going to similarly how we have the API. Same way, I'm going to create model here. So for example, in API, inside the model, we have patient model. So similarly, in MVC also, I'm going to create same model with same name, with same properties. Click on, give the class name, click on add. It's going to create a model for us. Now, let me go and copy these properties. Whatever properties you want, you can go and copy. That's it. So model is done. Next, go and create a controller. Right click, add controller, MVC file, MVC read and write actions. Click on add controller name, minus patient. So this will add this controller. Now, what next? We have to create the index. So right click, add view. I'll take eraser view, click on add, and model, I'll take list template. I'll take list because we want grid. And the model, what is our model? Patient. This is our model. And click on add. It will create a view for us now. So this is generating the view for us now with a grid view format. It is going to generate a view with table and rows for the number of columns. It's created a view for us like this. See, these are the headers. And here for each loop based on the model, it is going to display those elements. Now, what we need to do, I want to connect my MVC application with my API application. How we do? I will create a constructor. This is my constructor. I'll create a constructor. So here what I do, I need an HTTP client to communicate with my API. So how I do? Private read only HTTP client. So now we do this injection. So now using HTTP client, I want to retrieve the data from my API. So first thing, what I do, where response equals, let me make a async action. Okay, where response equals await underscore HTTP client dot get async. So here we have to give our URL, which is generated by Swagger to get the elements. This is the URL. So this is done. This is getting the data. After that, if response not equals to null, some validation, and or response dot status code, we can check if we say 200 or e status code. If there is a status code, then we do the where patients equals await response dot content dot read as a string as a simple. Now return view of patients we can do. Now this JSON, this is JSON. I want to convert into my model. How can I convert? Using where patients equals JSON convert dot deserialize object list of our model list of patient model. So this is done. Right screen pattern. Okay, here written. If there is no record, let's give new list of patient. Yes. Task. Okay. So now let's test this application whether it is working or not. So I can put try. If there is any error, will come to me. Or let's directly run and see. Now let's run my MVC application. MVC better. So now I'll manually navigate, or we can change the route. HTTP client while attempting to attempting to active controller unable to resolve the service. So we need to resolve this service. So go to program.cs services dot service controller. No, it is chargeable icon. ఆహా, అది ఓకే. ఇది ఈ ఎర్రర్ పోతుంది. అక్కడ సర్వీసెస్ ఏం లేదు కదా, మనకి ఏది యాడ్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ అంట. ఇది HTTP క్లైంట్ ఎట్లా రిజాల్వ్ చేసేది? కంట్రోలర్ నేమ్ ఇస్తే అవుతుందా? సరే, వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందో లేదు చూద్దాం. Just get this controller name. See if it resolve. Let's we have to go here. I keep on leaving it there. Let's do this also. We should go to program route. So this is your controller to manage patient. So now it will directly go to this particular controller and action. So it's came here. So HTTP client got initialized now. So now we came to our API. We got the data from the repository. We are reading the data. We got the response. Now we got the data. Done. So we were able to get the data from the web API to MVC now.